Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious tuna salad recipe. This is an easy, high-protein meal prep recipe for those busy days, and it is my husband's favorite tuna salad in the world, so I know you're gonna love it. So let's get started. I will list all the ingredients that I am using in the description box below. First thing we are going to do is drain the tuna and then add to the bowl. And I will add all of the nutritional data for each meal prep container in the description below. And then we are going to smash the tuna until everything is separated. It is essential that you make sure you get all of the chunks out so you have a smooth and creamy tuna salad. Next, we will add a quarter of a red onion and finely dice. And we are going to sneak in a lot of vegetables into this tuna salad, and it tastes amazing. Next, chop the celery into thin strips and finely dice. The celery will add a very refreshing crunch and flavor to the tuna salad. Next, we will add 2 grated carrots to the recipe. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, potassium, and beta-carotene. They're full of antioxidants and fiber and add a great flavor. And we'll add some fresh lemon juice to brighten up the flavors, preserve the salad, and add a little boost of vitamin C. We are going to add about a 1/3 cup of raisins, about 3/4 cup of Vegenaise or your favorite mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, 3/4 teaspoon of the all-purpose McCormick garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Make sure you spread it throughout, and freshly grated black pepper. Mix that all up. And this tuna salad goes wonderful over lettuce, in sandwiches, over crackers. It is the best tuna salad you will ever have, guaranteed. Now for the taste test. Wow, that is so delicious. Definitely my favorite too. And this is one of my go-to meal prep recipes that has helped improve my health. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to meal prep so you have something healthy and delicious and ready to go. The first thing I do is take 4 meal prep containers, and I'm going to pack one of the sections really well with the tuna salad, packed all the way to the top. So this is a high protein meal or snack. And then I will add some whole grain crackers. I'm using Mary's Organic Everything crackers. And then I will add fresh berries to one of the containers because it holds well. And then I will add some nuts and some dried fruit. I'm using dried mango. And that's basically it. These are easy and ready for the rest of the week. So there you go. 4 containers ready to go, and normally this takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to make, and it's a wonderful thing to have on hand. I make it every week. So I hope you make this recipe and like or subscribe, and be sure to share this video with your family and friends. Keep them healthy. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. And let me know if you want to see more meal prep recipes in the comments below.